Terex is one of the big players in the American crane business. At the ConExpo, Jim Strobusch showed us the American HC230 with the Counterweight Plus feature.
The HC230 is primarily used in bridge construction. For supporting the oil business and the offshore platforms, it's used in small building construction, maybe 5-6 stories in height. It also can be used as a service crane for the mining equipment that are used in open pit mines. Because of their size, they would need a crane of this size to service the larger equipment used to excavate the mines. The Terex American HC230 is powered by a 300 horsepower diesel engine. It transports on approximately 9 truckloads, the heaviest component which weighs about 100,000 pounds. The hoisting power on this machine is supplied by 2 identical drums, the main and auxiliary. Both generate 40,000 pounds of rated line pull and use 1.1/8" rope. The storage capacity on this machine is about 1,500 feet of wire rope. One of the options that's on the machine is the Counterweight Plus. What this option does is it adds lift capacity to the machine by adding additional counterweight to the lower and to the upper. This greatly increases the capacity of the machine at longer reaches and longer radiuses. The HC230 has many boom options. The purpose of the multiple boom options is to give our customer greater flexibility in choosing the proper boom for his lift. The HC230 offers a 92-inch boom, which goes out to 270 feet of main boom and 100 foot of jib, or 77-inch boom, which is 290 feet of main boom plus 100 foot of jib. The HC230, once it arrives to the job site, will take approximately 4 to 6 hours to assemble with a crew of 2 men. Well, as you can see, to access the engine of the machine, which is accessible by opening these doors, they're very large doors and they allow for the engine to be serviced very easily. Makes it easy for the mechanics to get in to change filters and to change the oil on the engine. It has a Cummins engine in the machine, which is a diesel-fired engine. It also has Kawasaki pumps and motors, which gives us the ability to have very reliable service for this machine. This is an important feature of the HC230. This is the counterweight removal system. Every crawler crane has counterweight that counterbalances the load in the front that you're picking. It is very important for our customers that they be able to put the counterweight on the machine very quickly and also remove it very quickly. What makes this unique and special is that it also has the ability to put the full counterweight on and also remove it, but that there are no tools that are required. It can all be done by hand without any tools at all. It is controlled by hydraulics, which are operated on a remote control system. One of the other features is that if you need to reduce weight for transport, the hydraulic removal system can be removed. It uses quick couplers to remove the hydraulics from the crane, and then the ears on top are removed, can be hooked with cables to be removed and lifted off. This reduces the transport weight if it's needed in certain circumstances. The cabin of the HC230 has several nice features that make it very comfortable for the operator to be in the cabin all day. It is very important for him to feel comfortable. We offer him a lot of space in the cabin. The controls are very easy to access. They're also very easy to use. The cabin is air conditioned for his comfort. It also has several windows to allow for fresh air. It has great visibility for the operator. It has a curved glass in the front which leaves no obstruction except very little at the top, which allows him to see his load from the ground all the way up to the boom tip. This is obviously very important in any lift that he's making, that he see his load as much as possible. Behind the seat is storage for his operator's manuals, his parts books, and his rating charts that he needs for using the machine. The HC230 has a fully integrated LMI system. An LMI system is a load moment indicator. It helps the operator assist in running the crane. It helps him giving him information on how the crane is performing and what lift it's being made. The operator is still in full control, and he is the one who controls the crane.
Balforum 24 TV. Construction in motion. www.balforum24.tv